Greetings, folks. It is August, and it's going to be a warm summer day here in the Napa Valley. I thought I'd take a bike ride today, and I chose Kennedy Park for my little bike ride, and there is the Napa River looking very calm. I'm going to head down the trail, see what's going on, if anything, and then meet up with a couple of friends of mine who will be out here flying radio-controlled airplanes. First stop along this trail is the boat launch. Nobody here yet. Boy, the water is looking so nice. This would be a great time to put a kayak in. But I'm on my bike instead, so let's head on down the trail. Nice picnic area here underneath the redwoods. And I'm going to continue down this well-paved trail. Great for walking and biking. Roller skating too. Well, this is the softball field. Nobody out and about yet. Boy, it's a Monday morning and it's still early, and I guess I just beat the crowds, which is fine with me. So we lose track of the river at this point of the trail, and here's a sign that reminds us that this property here at Kennedy Park used to be part of Napa State Hospital, and that is where I worked for 36 years. So lots of memories out in this area. Down the road is Napa Valley College. This is a cool little spot to pull over to show you that big bridge. And there's a little bridge right there that I could bike ride over and go straight into downtown Napa. But today I think I'm going to head back over that way. And I want to see the college today. It's been a while since I've been on the campus and looked around. So I think I'm going to backtrack a little, go to the college, and then see if my friends have arrived yet. This part of the trail that I'm on is called the Napa River Trail. Very popular. There's an old railroad up there, and I don't know if you can see it too much, but I'll get a better shot of it up the road. Okay, here's a shot of that railroad from the other side, actually. I pulled over and took a little detour. This is a non-functioning railroad at this point, and I'm not even sure what the rail cars carried here. I'm gonna have to look that up. That's some history I'd like to know about. And straight ahead is something new in town, and that is the student housing at Napa College. For the students at Napa College at a reduced cost, they can live there and be very close to their classes. I think we here in Napa are one of only 13 junior colleges in the state of California that now offers housing for the students. Pretty amazing. A closer look at that student housing and entering Napa Valley College. Had to get off the bike and take a little stroll down here. There's a glimpse of the river. And there's the track and field area. This is a really nice college campus. Morning. So I'm back on the road that goes right next to the college. Like, this is still part of the college over here. And this is entering back into Kennedy Park. So they are really right next door to each other, and they actually kind of overlap. There's a shot of some of the birds, and yes, I do see kids feeding the birds, and the ducks probably. Very peaceful Monday morning out here. We're gonna head up this part of the road and find my friends. Okay, I'm here with my friends, and here's one of, or two, or three or four of the planes. And I don't know anything about them, but I'm being told a few things. And it looks like one of them may be going up in the air here pretty quick. Oh, there it goes. Okay, this is being controlled by my friend right there with...
Taking off right to left.
Okay. He's given some sort of... Whoa! Wow!
Much better when there isn't a really hard crosswind like there was yesterday.
Oh, I can imagine.
It's a better takeoff, but I'm still getting used to it.
This is a new plane for you?
Brand new, second flight.
Second flight. Coming in for a landing. No flap landing, I was told. And there it is. close and personal. Turbo Timber Evolution. Well, that was fun. I learned a little bit about those radio control planes. I saw a lot of them, and the guys were really fun to talk to. It's time to load up the bike and call this a morning. Okay, so goodbye to Kennedy Park, Napa Valley College, and the fun little bike ride. And this is where I'm going to leave you off. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.